Throughout this lesson, we've been talking about the practices and principles that and the advantages we get when we layer DevOps practices on top of Scrum. Let's discuss virtualization. So we know here from throughout this course that we are able to take Scrum and layer on top of it Lean and different XP methodologies. Now let's take a look at some not often talked about practices in DevOps. So let's discuss virtualization and how virtualization can actually assist us with continuous deployment and continuous testing and also continuous release. So these days, we can take hardware, we can take massive amounts of hardware, and we can remap this hardware to form virtual operating environments exactly the same as what our users will use or what our application will execute on. And we can actually create copies of these environments. So we can actually have environments that mimic production, and we can copy them like we can copy files, just copy paste. So we can have as many of these exact duplicates of production that we need. So we can develop in the production environment, and more important, we can test in the production environment. So again, our solution is virtualization or cloud. Cloud is really we just saw our data center, right? So cloud can actually give us a data center where we can manage many of these instances, all configured exactly like our production, and they can have their own IDs, and we can deploy to these production-like environments. We can avoid production if that's the choice of the organization. However, it's still very powerful to do our testing and evaluation on that production or live environment type of machine. So the way that we can manage these environments, there are so many tools that make it so easy. There are lots of clouds. This is a typical console where we have all of our instances up and running, and all of these instances can at any time be templated, and templates can be made, and then the exact same environment can be spun up right from these templates, so we can have as many of them as we need. So the DevOps methodology also includes this the principles and practices of virtualization in a way that we're able to continuously test on different environments, and we can continuously deploy to other environments. But all of these environments will be exactly identical to production.